Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a super effective way to export crisp, high-resolution images from Figma. If you've ever struggled with blurry or pixelated exports, and let's face it, that's such a common frustration, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to get crystal clear images every single time. This fix is quick, reliable, and I promise it'll save you tons of headaches on your design projects. Alright, let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to make sure you're inside Figma. Just log in, open up the Figma file where your image or design lives, and let's get set up. Here I have an image sample that I'll use for this demonstration. You can follow along with your own artwork, logo, or any image element you want to export in high resolution. Now here's the trick. To get that sharp, high-res image, we don't want to export straight to PNG from Figma like you might think. That's where people usually run into trouble. The export ends up looking rough, especially if you scale it up. So instead, what we're going to do is export the image as a PDF first. The reason behind this is simple. PDFs from Figma maintain all of the vector data and preserve much more quality. It's kind of like holding onto a master copy of your work rather than just a flattened picture. To do this, select the image or frame you want to export. With your element selected, head down to the right-hand panel and look for the Export section. Click plus to add an export setting, and then in the file type dropdown choose PDF. Make sure you pick PDF, not PNG or JPG. When you hit export, Figma will generate a PDF file for you in seconds. Don't worry if this takes a moment depending on your image size, that's totally normal, and it just means Figma's packaging up all that beautiful detail for you. Now comes the magic. Once you have that PDF saved, open it up using any PDF viewer like Adobe Acrobat Preview if you're on a Mac, or even your browser if you just want a quick look. Next, you'll need to export or convert the PDF to a PNG. Most PDF readers have an export or save as option. Just look for PNG as the file type. If your default viewer doesn't support this, don't worry, there are plenty of free online PDF to PNG converters you can use safely. Just Google PDF to PNG converter, upload your file, and download your new image. The genius of this method is that the PNG you get now will be super sharp because it's generated from that high-fidelity PDF. You won't see any weird pixels, weird blurring, or color shifts. This is especially helpful if you need images for presentations, portfolios, or sharing with clients who expect your designs to look as good as they do in Figma. And that's it. You've just exported a high-resolution image from Figma using this PDF trick. Pretty easy, right? If you ever run into trouble or need to export images at different sizes, you can even adjust the DPI or scale settings in your PDF viewer before exporting to PNG. Plenty of ways to make it just right for your needs. I hope this helped take the frustration out of exporting from Figma. If you found this useful, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, and leave a comment below if you have any questions or want to share your own tips. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more handy tutorials like this. Thanks for watching and happy designing.